Oh, I was trying to stand up. It's like, oh, I'm trying so hard.
So here they are. They're almost 2 weeks old. You can see here, they're starting to try to walk and everything now. It's a pretty awesome attempt.
Oh, he's trying so hard. Oh, she's like, no, honey, don't walk. Not yet.
You can see they're getting much, much larger. And some of their eyes are starting to open. Like this little guy.
Look up, little guy.
See the light now? Let's cut your arms, cover it. There you go. Oh! So you can see here his eyes are starting to open up. Sort of. Oh, there we go. See, he's closed his eyes for the bright light, but yeah, his eyes are opening.
Oh, her all the way. That right one, almost.
Yeah.
Oh.
You can see us, I think.
I have one back over here in the corner.
Look. Oh, look at that.
That's my thing.